Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Astral Messenger. First, ensure your character is at least level 50 and has completed the Whispers of the Stars questline. You'll also need to gather 15 Stardust fragments, which drop from celestial enemies found in the Starlight Expanse. These initial steps are crucial for unlocking the next phase of your journey. Prepare for an exciting and rewarding adventure. Next, venture deep into the Starlight Expanse to find the Celestial Altar. This ancient structure is guarded by 3 powerful celestial guardians. You must defeat each one to proceed. Once they are vanquished, approach the altar and use your 15 Stardust fragments to activate it. This action will reveal the path to the Astral Messenger's true location. After activating the altar, a celestial rift portal will open. Step through it to face the Astral Echo, a formidable boss that stands between you and your goal. This boss has approximately 200,000 health points and employs unique astral abilities. Focus on dodging its attacks and exploiting its vulnerabilities to secure your victory. Congratulations! Upon defeating the Astral Echo, the Astral Messenger will appear. Simply walk over to claim your powerful new weapon. Equip it in your main hand slot to immediately benefit from its impressive stats. It boasts a base attack power of 1/250 and a critical chance of 5%. Enjoy your new cosmic companion.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.